Well, the woman accused of shooting and killing her boyfriend in Jackson makes her first court appearance today. Her bond was set at more than $1 million. Aziza Young is being charged with murder and auto theft. She's charged with killing 45-year-old Adrian Triggs on the 4th of July. The Reader Side's Quentin Smith speaks exclusively with Young's attorney today, who maintains Young was only defending herself.
Ishmael Muhammad says Aziza Young was in an abusive relationship with Adrian Triggs. In fact, he claims Young was being abused by Triggs the day she shot him. Muhammad now expressing that Young should not be behind bars because she only shot back in self-defense.
This is clear-cut, no question about it. Miss Young in fear for life because she's been subjected to abuse.
Muhammad says Young and Triggs were in a relationship for more than a year. He says this is a picture of Young's swollen eye and alleges it comes as a result of Triggs abusing her, something he claims happened throughout their entire relationship. According to Muhammad, Young reported the abuse to the Jackson Police Department, but nothing was ever done about it.
He would tell Miss Young, go ahead and call the police. It's not going to help you. It's going to backfire on you. And lo and behold, every time the police did get involved, it in fact backfired on Mrs. Young.
Things took a turn for the worst around 4 o'clock on July 4th on AME Logan Street. This is exclusive video from that scene. Young is accused of shooting Triggs after the two got into an argument. Not long after, police say Young then tried to move the body from the scene. Muhammad now pushing back on that allegation.
It is quite possible that the movement of the body was an effort to take the victim to the hospital. But Aziza Young was not in a position at that time to move that body and get that person to the hospital. And so instead, Miss Young contacted the authorities.
Triggs later died at the hospital. Investigators say a witness testified to seeing Young commit these crimes. However, Muhammad maintains the only reason his client shot Triggs was to get away from the abuse.
Miss Young was justified. That the history of violence and abuse was justified it. That the current abuse at the time of the shooting justified it. That Miss Young's understanding and knowledge of this particular individual and their likelihood to take her life justified it. And I'm saying all those factors will come out.
I'm not a judge. I'm not the district attorney. I'm not a jury. I am the chief of police. And they will determine what happened and what did not happen.
Now, after Triggs was shot, police say Young also stole his car and left the scene. She was given a $1 million bond for her murder charge and a $25,000 bond for her auto theft charge. However, Muhammad says he plans to file an appeal looking to reduce that bond amount. Quentin Smith, 3 on your side.